Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome to our video on operators in PHP. As developers, we use operators all the time to perform various tasks. So let us learn more about them. In this video, we'll explore the different types of operators in PHP and learn how to use them effectively. By the end of the video, you will have a solid understanding of operators and their importance in PHP programs. So, what are operators? So, operators are symbols or words that tell PHP what to do with the data. So, they help us manipulate data, compare values, and control program flow. For example, operators are used to compare two values in PHP. The result of the comparison is either true or false, depending on whether the values are equal or not equal. So, let us see that in the example. But before that, it is important to note that comparison operators only compare the values but not the type. So let's see. Here we have 8 comparison operators. Equal to checks if the two operands are equal. Not equal to, if the operands are not equal, it turns the result true. Greater than, if the left one is greater than the right one, and less than if the right one is if the left operand is less than right operand. Greater than equal to checks if the left operand is greater or equal to the right operand, then it gives the output as true. And less than or equal to, if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand, this. Now if you use an identical operator, that is 3 equal to, it compares both the value and the data type. It will return false because the data types are not the same and not identical. Similarly, checks if the two operands are equal to or not of the same data type. So let's see the example. So here we have $A80, $B50, which are integer values, and $C80 in a string data type to compare them. So here we have compared. So let's take the result. This is the result here. So the A equal to B gives us false because A is not equal to B. So 80 and 50 are not equal. So A is not equal to B. So 80 and 50 are not equal. So the not equal evaluates to true. Not equal to operator. So greater than. So 80 is greater than 50. True. Less than. 80 is not less than 50. So hence false. Greater than equal to. Less than equal to, again similar. Now this identical. So this identical operator checks if the both the like $A and $C are of same data type and same value. So 80 and 80 are same value but of not same data type. So 80 is integer and this is string, so it gives us false, and not identical, like both the variables should not have the same data type. So 80 and 80 integer and string, so if they are different, so it evaluates to true. That is, they are not identical.
So with this we conclude with operators in PHP.
It's important to remember that operators have a specific order of precedence, so to be mindful of this when writing your code.
But as we know that operators are fundamentals of any programming language, similarly are for PHP. So more and more that you practice with operators, you will get an idea of how to include them in your own projects. Hope this video helped you in learning some insights about the operators and their working.